Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Albertini, Director of Marketing at RIDGID. I'm here with
Rob Pro Drains.
We got Rob in the house, so we're here to talk about pipe patching with you. We launched our pipe patching system last year, and it was really exciting for us to enter the pipe rehab space with pipe patching. It's a great solution for adding a structural repair where you have some damaged lines that previously we've always had the ability to clean the pipe, to inspect the pipe, and now we have the solution to actually fix the pipe and patch it. And really the key benefits that patching give you is it's a quick ROI. People can charge, Rob, well, how much can you charge? Tell them a little bit about the return on investment.
It's easy to learn, but it's a very good return on investment. You're making a couple grand per patch and you're not digging up the yard. It's very fast, very quick, very easy. And this one packer alone, you're able to do turns, transitions, bends. So it's a great investment in the terms of buying packers and trying to do underground repairs without digging.
Yeah, you hit it with that multi-bend packer. The fact that our packer can do transitions, 90s, straights, all with one packer. That is very unique in the market where other manufacturers are selling dedicated ones for bends, for transitions, and now you can get all that done with one product. And if you take proper care of it, you can get these to last hundreds of jobs. And then you also have the push rods, which are super flexible, so you can get through that navigation, but stiff enough to help you push, so you can push up to 100 feet with 25-foot push rods linked together.
And the ability to twist and turn to get into your patch.
That's exactly, so we have a hexagonal fitting that allows you to keep that connection where others will actually rotate. So as Rob just stated, that allows you to actually spin as you're going, so you can help navigate around those turns and bends that much easier to get to your spot. So this is really a great example of what these products can do. This packer did this one patch showing a 3-inch to 4-inch through a 90, and you got perfect adhesion to all the pipe walls and to have a structural repair wherever you would have had damage in the line. And once you get into the starter systems, you have everything you need to be patching. Then you just need to get your patch kits. And this is your consumables, everything you need for one job, in and out, throw it back into the box and move on to the next one. So if you want any more information, please visit RIDGID.com. We'd be happy to help you more.